Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by brewing strong coffee. You want concentrated flavor so it won't taste weak when iced. While it cools, measure 2 tablespoons cocoa and 2 tablespoons sugar so mixing is precise. Combine the cooled 1 cup coffee and cocoa into a tall glass or shaker. This makes dissolving easier. Add 0.5 cup milk now to balance bitterness. You can use dairy or a plant alternative. Once mixed, stir briefly to begin dissolving the cocoa and sugar. Once the dry ingredients are in, you need to dissolve them fully. Whisk or shake the coffee mixture for about 20 to 30 seconds so no gritty bits remain. Make sure to add the 1/2 cup ice before blending to chill rapidly and create froth. Pulse the blender 5 to 8 seconds. Overblending dilutes the drink. After a quick taste, adjust sweetness or milk volume if needed, because temperature mutes flavors, and then give it one more quick blend to integrate adjustments. Pour your drink into a chilled glass and top with the natural foam or a small dollop of whipped cream for texture contrast. If you find a gritty cocoa texture, don't panic. Gently heat 1 to 2 tablespoons of coffee, dissolve the cocoa and sugar fully, then recombine with the rest and reblend briefly. This removes grit without altering flavor. Make sure to taste once more, adjust garnish, and serve immediately while cold to preserve froth and aroma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.